Hello there and welcome back. So we have created our very first project here in Power BI and congratulations. You have really worked hard so much because till now you have learned a lot about the data analysis and visualization here in Power BI. So this particular video I'll be just we will be just going through what are the different things which we have really done here in this particular project. So I will be summarizing them all in a very brief manner. So in this particular first page we have created some different kind of charts like this 100% bar chart where we have seen the sales by different deal sizes for large, medium and small. Then we have created a line and bar chart for different year analysis, so we can see the year by year, year over year, the number of sales have been increasing in the past 3 years. So for that, this line and column chart is pretty much useful. Then again, using the scatter chart and applying the play axis up here, we can see year over year how this particular things are going on for the status of our different sales which we are doing, how much are on shipped, how much are cancelled, and everything we can see year over year, and also month over month by applying the different kinds of filters up here in the details section. So in the play axis we have taken the years, so we were able to calculate year over year how all these status have been working on for every year. Then we have used the drill down donut chart to calculate our deal size, which is large, medium and small. When we apply drilling on it, we can filter out each and every chart, we can filter out each and every chart of our particular tab. Then we have used this particular visual using chiclet slicer where we have applied the images. So we have done the data modeling up here where we have joined for the images of all our products with our main data, and we have for the sentiment analysis also we have joined the images. So we were able to create this chiclet slicer with different images. So for every image we can particularly easily filter out for each of our product. For the second page we have done the sentiment analysis of our customers. So here we have done this year versus last year sales, and we have calculated variance based on it. So what was the sales of this year and what was the last year, and if the sales of this year has been increased, we have put it in a blue color, and if it is the sales is in negative, or if we are having loss in our sales comparatively from last year, we have put it in the red. So this has been done year over years analysis for each month we have done for this and last year sales. We have applied a filter here for the sales, for sales date, order date. For we have applied a relative slicer. We can use it from here, different kind of slicer option. We have used the relative, so we can check out the what kind of slicing or filtering we have to apply. Also we have used the year over year filter up here and the sentiment analysis filter. So if we want to see only the positive feedback, customers who have given the positive feedback, we can filter them out here, or those customers who have some negative experience from the sales data, we can check them as well. So these are our customers list, we can get through them. So this is how the sentiment analysis was done. Then we have checked the clustering and regression thing. This was our regression analysis. We have created the regression to find the relationship between the two variables in the x and y axis, which is sales and the quantity ordered, and we have created a regression line up here to see the trend between these two. As quantity ordered is increasing, the sales is increasing, so this trend line shows that. And finally we have done our clustering using two different methods. First, by the inbuilt clustering method provided by Power BI by clicking on these three ellipses and using the clustering option to find automatic clusters and creating these three clusters up here. Then we have used the custom visual to do the clustering thing to separate or group our customers or the products based on their sales into three different clusters. So this was how clustering is done. So clustering and regression is really very important part of data analysis. So I hope you have understood all of these kind of different analysis which we have done, like clustering, regression, sentiment analysis. These are very important, and if you are left with any kind of doubt, you can always ask me anytime in the QS section. I'll be happy to help. Then we have applied a sync slicers feature of Power BI in the first tab, so that we have synchronized all of the slicers in each of our tab just here in the first particular tab. So if I want to see all the value, all the details of only the my product, which is motorcycles, I have to just click on the motorcycle, and then I have to check that only for year 2017 and only for the United States. I can select all the filters up here, and in all the different pages I will see only the filtered data as we have applied in the sync slicers. There you go. So this is how we have created our very first project, an interesting project with a lot of things to learn up here. So I hope you have understood each and everything. If not, you can, I'm always here to help you. So that's all about this particular project, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.